So check this out. It'll focus. It's a red-tailed hawk. Another one. Red-tailed hawk. Let me find where I am. Right up here. Oh. Okay, this isn't focusing well. Hang on, give me a second. Okay, over here there's another one. Let's see if I can work the focus better. I think that lens is sturdy, is what's happening. Let's see. Dude, it's been sitting like that for a while. Doesn't look comfortable, but I sure as hell am not gonna tell him that. Oh, there's that other one. Okay. Right here, there's two. There's one on the other short, and then there's this one. It's the first one. Keeping an eye on me. And then there's another one. Yeah, there. Look at that. They're definitely birds of prey. Where I live, red-tailed hawks are the most common, but these seem small. So, I don't know. Comment below what you think they are. They don't know I'm not one of them. They're just hanging out here. It's like we're all waiting for mice, I guess. I don't want to ask them what we eat, because that would give away that I'm not actually a red-tailed hawk. And it's best to, stay undercover.